Welcome to today's video. If you're a beginner in English, you're in the right place. Today, we'll take the first basic step to improving your English skills, learning how to answer and ask questions in English. These simple conversations can help you build confidence and feel more comfortable speaking English. So, let's get started and explore 50 essential question-answer pairs to boost your communication skills. Simple questions and answers. Here's the complete list of 50 English conversation question-answer pairs for beginners. Personal questions. Question: How are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. Question: What's your name? A. My name is Alex. Question: How old are you? A. I'm 16 years old. Question: Where are you from? A. I'm from the United States of America. Question: What's your favorite color? A. My favorite color is blue. Question: Do you have any siblings? A. Yes, I have a brother and a sister. Question: What's your hobby? A. My hobby is reading books. Question: Are you married? A. No, I'm single. Question: What's your favorite food? A. My favorite food is pizza. Question: What's your favorite drink? A. My favorite drink is coffee. Daily routine. Question: What time do you wake up? A. I wake up at 7 a.m. Question: What do you do in the morning? A. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Question: Do you exercise? A. Yes, I exercise every day. Question: What do you do for lunch? A. I usually eat at home. Question: When do you go to bed? A. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Question: Do you work or study? A. I'm a student. Question: What's your daily routine? A. I study, eat, and relax at home. Question: Do you like your job? A. Yes, I like it very much. Question: Do you watch TV? A. Yes, I watch TV in the evening. Question: How do you spend your weekends? A. I spend time with my family and friends. About hobbies and interests. Question: Do you like music? A. Yes, I love music. Question: Can you play any instruments? A. Yes, I can play the guitar. Question: What's your favorite sport? A. My favorite sport is soccer. Question: Do you like movies? A. Yes, I enjoy watching movies. Question: What's your favorite movie? A. My favorite movie is The Lion King. Question: Do you like reading? A. Yes, I enjoy reading books. Question: What kind of books do you read? A. I like adventure and mystery books. Question: Do you like cooking? A. Yes, I enjoy cooking. Question: Can you swim? A. Yes, I can swim. Question: Do you travel? A. Yes, I like traveling to new places. Talking about family. Question: How many people are in your family? A. There are 5 people in my family. Question: Who do you live with? A. I live with my parents. Question: Do you have children? A. No, I don't have children. Question: What does your father do? A. He is a teacher. Question: What does your mother do? A. She is a homemaker. Question: Do you have pets? A. Yes, I have a dog. Question: What's your dog's name? A. His name is Max. Question: Do you have grandparents? A. Yes, I have 2 grandparents. Question: Are you close to your family? A. Yes, we are very close. Question: How often do you visit your relatives? A. I visit them once a month. Miscellaneous. Question: What's the time? A. It's 10 o'clock. Question: How's the weather today? A. It's sunny and warm. Question: Can you speak English? A. Yes, I can speak a little English. Question: Do you have a smartphone? A. Yes, I do. Question: What's your favorite app? A. My favorite app is YouTube. Question: Do you use social media? A. Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram. Question: What's your favorite season? A. My favorite season is spring. Question: What's your favorite holiday? A. My favorite holiday is Christmas. Question: Do you believe in luck? A. Yes, I do. Question: Are you happy today? A. Yes, I'm very happy. About personal preferences. Question: What's your favorite animal? A. My favorite animal is a cat. Question: Do you like coffee or tea? A. I like tea more than coffee. Question: What's your favorite day of the week? A. My favorite day is Saturday. Question: Do you prefer summer or winter? A. I prefer winter. Question: What's your favorite fruit? A. My favorite fruit is mango. Question: What's your favorite vegetable? A. My favorite vegetable is spinach. Question: Do you prefer books or movies? A. I prefer books. Question: What's your favorite place to visit? A. I love visiting the beach. Question: Do you like sweet or spicy food? A. I like spicy food. Question: What's your favorite subject? A. My favorite subject is English. About daily life. Question: What time do you go to work? A. I go to work at 9 a.m. Question: How do you get to work? A. I take the bus. Question: What do you do in the evening? A. I relax and watch TV. Question: Do you take a nap during the day? A. Yes, I take a short nap. Question: How often do you exercise? A. I exercise 3 times a week. Question: Do you eat breakfast every day? A. Yes, I always eat breakfast. Question: What time do you leave home? A. I leave home at 8:30 a.m. Question: How do you spend your free time? A. I read books or go for a walk. Question: What do you do on Sundays? A. I spend time with my family. Question: Do you work on weekends? A. No, I don't work on weekends. Travel and transportation. Question: Have you ever traveled abroad? A. Yes, I've been to France. Question: Do you like traveling by plane? A. Yes, I enjoy it. Question: What's your favorite city? A. My favorite city is New York. Question: How often do you travel? A. I travel twice a year. Question: Do you like road trips? A. Yes, I love road trips. Question: How long does it take you to get to work? A. It takes me 30 minutes. Question: Do you drive? A. No, I don't have a car. Question: Do you prefer trains or buses? A. I prefer trains. Question: Have you ever been on a boat? A. Yes, I've been on a boat once. Question: Do you like camping? A. Yes, I enjoy camping in the mountains. About work and studies. Question: Where do you work? A. I work in a bank. Question: What do you study? A. I study computer science. Question: Do you enjoy your work? A. Yes, I enjoy it very much. Question: What's your dream job? A. My dream job is to be a doctor. Question: How many hours do you work? A. I work 8 hours a day. Question: Do you work from home? A. No, I work in an office. Question: What's your major in college? A. My major is business administration. Question: Do you like studying? A. Yes, I enjoy learning new things. Question: When did you start your job? A. I started last year. Question: Do you like working in a team? A. Yes, I enjoy teamwork. Talking about experiences. Question: Have you ever been to a concert? A. Yes, I've been to a rock concert. Question: Have you ever tried sushi? A. Yes, I tried it last month. Question: Have you ever climbed a mountain? A. No, I haven't, but I want to. Question: Have you ever won a prize? A. Yes, I won a prize in school. Question: Have you ever met a celebrity? A. No, I haven't met any celebrities. Question: Have you ever cooked for a big group? A. Yes, I've cooked for my family. Question: Have you ever seen snow? A. Yes, I see snow every winter. Question: Have you ever gone skydiving? A. No, I'm afraid of heights. Question: Have you ever lived in another country? A. No, I've always lived here. Question: Have you ever learned another language? A. Yes, I've learned some Spanish. Practice these questions and answers daily, and you'll see your English skills improve quickly. Remember, confidence comes with practice, so don't be afraid to speak. Keep learning, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, then join us on YouTube and like, share and subscribe to this channel for more effective videos like this. Thank you.